Everyone, so we've made our way outside to the grill, right? Yes. And before, there were those alternative burgers like Impossible Meat or Possible Foods Beyond Meats. There were actually veggie burgers.
And it's perfect because today is National Veggie Burger Day. So we are joined by Paul Tsiknakis. He is the owner of Red Lion Diner over in Southampton, New Jersey. I want to thank you so much for coming on and joining us today.
Oh, guys, thank you so much for having me. We appreciate it.
And you see, he is ready to grill, okay? Yes. Got his hand on it already.
Absolutely.
So for a lot of us who are watching at home, tell us, what is it and what does it take to make the perfect veggie burger?
So a good veggie burger has a good mixture of a lot of veggies. There's a good process that you have to use. We food processed. We put these in choppers earlier today just to make the segment a little quicker. But you take some chopped onions, carrots, and a little bit of broccoli, and you saute them all together, and you put them in a tossed bowl.
Okay.
Just like this. You add all the vegetables. You can actually add a little bit more vegetables. Our recipe's online.
So you can kind of freestyle with this.
Oh yes, absolutely. And the main way to keep the burger together at the end is an egg. And if you're a vegan, you can also use a vegan egg substitute as well.
Oh.
Okay. So it's much the same way that you would kind of put together your regular burger meat. You just put a lot of different seasonings, a lot of different items, and then just make sure it's compact at the end.
Absolutely. And all the seasonings and everything are online. I did send you over the recipe. The main seasoning is a little bit of thyme, a little bit of paprika.
Ooh, we love paprika.
A little bit of cumin.
So you get a little spice to that
salt
too, yeah.
A little bit of black pepper.
Okay.
A little bit of breadcrumb just to keep the burger together. And the egg, and of course you could use the substitute egg product.
Look at you doing
so
that with one hand.
You can make it
chef,
vegan.
so let's go.
And you mix it together just like this until it gets a good texture where it can form together and make into patties.
Okay.
And this is a fun trick you can do with the kids and also get them to eat something healthy.
Right.
Nice.
You know, so.
And you've got the final patties right here. Is this kind of similar to what you were just working on right there?
Yes, sir.
Those are perfect.
These patties were pre-made, obviously, just to save some time, but they're very easy to make into patties like this. Obviously, I'm just going to add another glove on.
No worries. That looks amazing right there. And it's something pretty simple that a lot of families, like you said, can do.
Absolutely. It's a very affordable way to substitute meat that's pretty hard to find during these hard times as well.
Right.
Yeah, and it's also important to note that, you know, when you're having these types of get-togethers, and now that we're going to start having them together again, well, some of these reopening phases, that you always want to have that option too for folks that are coming over to maybe have those veggie burgers available.
Absolutely. And you know, if you're looking for something that's more of a substitute to meat that actually looks like meat, we also have we serve the Beyond Burger at the diner, which is made out of the redness of the meat right over here. Comes from a beet juice.
Okay.
And if you cook this off, it really looks, and we have one on the grill right now cooking with a topping of seasoned seitan and a little bit of vegan cheddar cheese. So this is a complete vegan item.
Yeah, and Chris, if you can get a shot of this, you can actually see when you cook the burger, it actually kind of bleeds like the normal burger patty, right? Like a normal beef patty.
Yep, absolutely. It looks just like beef. Actually, when the Beyond Burger actually first came out, we told one of our employees that, hey, we're changing our burger process here. Would you like to try it? He took a bite right into the burger and said, "Oh, that's great. Let's go with it." so it was pretty amazing to see how these companies have transformed their ground beef. But our veggie burger is going to be available at both diner locations, and it's a recipe that we've used for many years.
Can I ask you really quick what people could look for when they're cooking these veggie burgers? So, because obviously, you know, the Beyond Meats or the Impossible Food burgers, they cook very similar to a normal beef patty, but some of these veggie patties that you might make yourself, they might not cook the same way. Explain what they look like.
This is going to cook a lot faster because the vegetables are also pre-sauteed. They're actually cooked. So what you're looking to do is actually just cook the egg that's in there. If you have a egg substitute, you're still going to want to cook it thoroughly. Once it has lines on both sides, you're good to go. You can serve it and put it right on a patty.
There you go.
Oh, that looks so good. Oh my goodness, I definitely want to try one of these. I know it's almost ready, but so what are some of the best toppings that you would recommend to put on something like this?
So here we have our Beyond Burger, and it's sizzling with a seasoned, Seitan is also a meat substitute,
Right.
and we seasoned it so it can have a smoky taste. So we put a little bit of smoked paprika to season it. You can also use some taco seasoning, and you can also season it the way you want. Maybe a little barbecue rub, and you top it on top. And on top, we added a vegan cheese. So it's a vegan cheddar cheese. No meat at all in this item right here, but it looks.
It
like
does.
It could be.
It looks amazing.
It looks amazing. And Paul, real quickly, tell us where people can go to get more information on you guys, and as you guys get close to reopening as well.
So monarchdinerNJ.com is a great place to visit. Also redlinenj.com. Both diners have our full menus.
Oh, sorry.
Say
all that again.
holding the
I'm
mic.
just kind of sitting there listening to you. This is great information, Paul.
So at monarchdinerNJ.com, you'll be able to see our full menu. Redlinenj.com, we have our full menu as well. We are offering outdoor seating starting June 15th because of New Jersey allowing us to. Currently, we're doing curbside pickup and a safe contactless curbside and delivery as well.
Awesome.
And I know you're probably very excited to get people back in the
He
restaurant.
is ready.
Cannot wait.
Look at him
Cannot
smiling.
wait.
Well, we want
It's
to
been a long time coming.
We can't wait to welcome our great customers back.
Yeah.
We miss them so very much.
Right. Well, I want to thank you so much for coming on and for making these burgers. And trust me, we are going to chow down on them during the commercial break. But in the meantime, make sure you stay with us because we have more news coming up after the break.